If you have a solution which is different than the one shared in this video and you would like to share with others, please share them in the comments box so they can also learn. That's it for this video. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Essential SQL Practice series. Let's take a look at the next problem. Find the top customer for each owner by total sales. Now for this, we would definitely need the owner table, which will lead to our tracks. Tracks will lead to invoice items, to invoices, and this would take you to the customers table. Let's add all the table. Tracks on owner ID, then invoice items on track ID, and then invoices on invoice ID, then customers on customer ID. Now what all we need is we need owner, then we need customer name, so we'll use first and last name concatenation. Then we need their total sales. We will take the quantity from invoice items and we'll round it up. Now for each of them we need to rank them, so we'll use a window function rank over. Now since we need the ranking by each owner, we'll use partition by, and then we'll order by sum of quantity, and since we need the top customer, we will use descending. Then let's use a group by. See the output first. Now we can see for each owner we have customer names, the respective sales and ranks. Now we'll add this to a CTE and we'll call the CTE. It's called the owner customer name total sales where rank equals 1. Now here we will notice that for some of them we have multiple customer names because for each of them the sale is the same.